sleeps in the cold, dreaming of spring bright and gold. The winter wind knocks at her door, but she still dreams of flowers once more. She watches snow beneath the moon and hears the springtime coming soon. The cold is long, the nights are gray, but she still waits for warmer days. I have a light inside my heart, a little flame that fears to start. I see the world, I feel its pain, but I still dream beyond the rain. Golden days don't fade away. I dream of you each winter day. Like a bird waiting for the spring, I hold the hope that morning brings. Though the cold is all I see, I keep your light alive in me. Golden days, stay close to me, like spring beyond the frozen sea. Little bird, remember skies warm, golden light and open eyes. She keeps the colors in her heart and waits for spring to make a start. Sometimes her wings begin to shake. She fears the storm she has to face. She wants to fly, she wants to go, but fear can make her movements slow. I have a light inside my heart, a little flame that fears to start. I see the world, I feel its pain, but I still dream beyond the rain. Golden days, I hear your song. I know the spring will come along. I close my eyes and feel the breeze. I see the flowers in the trees. Winter may not leave today, but of spring beneath the morning light. I keep it inside.